sitting in the back, just watching the movie. Or maybe it's a symphony. I wouldn't know. I don't care about the symphony.